just don't get around. But there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me.
Good morning. Sophie's just having some tummy time, aren't you, Soph? We just had breakfast. I tidied in the kitchen as usual, did the bottles, sterilized them. And now she's just having a bit more playtime. And yeah, she woke up at 7 and it's now 8:30. So probably in like half an hour she would be ready for a nap. She can go like nearly 2 hours, sometimes even less in the morning. She gets so tired, which is ironic. You would think it would be the opposite, like at the end of the day she would be more tired and last for a shorter amount of time, but it's actually the opposite. Her naps are still so short. She's still 4 months and a bit, so I'm kind of hoping around 5 months is when they, you know, start napping a bit better. I know it was the same with Victor, so hopefully we'll get some longer naps soon, but yeah, so far it's been like 30 minutes. You're tired, aren't you? It's time for a nap. It's nearly 9.
Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down.
Because I made some space by putting the papers there. Hold on. This time. Now luckily I can let's now just make the number blocks. What? Where's the scissors? I should have them on the table. Oh, it fell on the floor. You silly scissors.
Is that okay?
Yes.
Can I take a video?
Yeah, or
Okay.
if you want, you can take a video of me making the number blocks.
Okay. We are just getting ready to go to Fisher's today, aren't we?
Yes.
Going to have a fun day out because it's just so much easier going out with children than staying inside all day. Sophie's still asleep, isn't she?
Yes.
Yeah, she's been sleeping for about 30 minutes and that's when she usually wakes up, but I think she might be sleeping a bit longer today.
Yeah.
Did I get everything we need?
Miss Cotton Socks, you're missing.
Miss Cotton Socks, your toy.
Yeah, it's upstairs.
Okay, that's okay. Well, we're not leaving just yet, but we'll grab it before we go.
Yeah.
So many things you need when you have a baby, but I'm just packing things up in my backpack. So I've got keys and purse in there. I already have the nappy, like changing bit. It's got a changing mat, wipes, everything in there. So I'm just gonna pack another extra nappy to pop in. Bless you. It's already in the boot of the car with the pram, so I'm gonna take that in there. We've got some snacks for us, although we will be eating there for lunch. We've got extra gummies.
In case I get hungry when it's not lunchtime.
Yeah, in case you get hungry. Yeah, or in case I get hungry.
Yeah. In case Sophie gets hungry.
She can't have snacks yet, can she?
Yeah. I was joking.
I know. And then we've got some plasters for Victor, because sometimes he might get a little graze on his knee.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we need to have this just to make him feel better. And then some toys for Sophie. We've got change of clothes, some dribble bibs, because she's so dribbly these days.
Oh, Mommy,
Yeah?
what if you fall over?
What? Oh yeah, I might need a plaster too.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe I'll get the robot plaster this time. Yeah, lots of options of plasters.
Mommy, don't worry, you can have the robot because I anyway want the monster.
Okay. Well, hopefully we won't need it today.
Yeah.
Yeah, hopefully we don't get hurt. But just in case,
Yeah.
it's nice to have them.
There's only 7 plasters.
Do you think that's enough?
I don't know.
I think we're good.
I don't think
They always have extra plasters at Fisher's.
Oh, yeah.
To remember if we need them. And we've got the sun hat for Sophie. Oh, we need to pack a sun hat for you too, don't we, Victor?
Yeah.
water bottle, and then we've got milk for Sophie as well. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't need any milk.
You don't, do you?
No.
What are you gonna have at Fisher's to eat?
My normal.
Your normal.
Because that's so yummy.
The chicken nuggets.
Yeah.
Or chips and peas.
Yeah.
Okay, Sophie's awake. Oh, are you playing with this? Sophie's awake. She actually slept for 1 whole hour. Is this the start of some longer naps, Sophie? Fingers crossed. Okay, so I think we're ready to go. Just forgot my cup holder. And she had her milk. She still has a bit left, so I'm gonna take it with me because she might want it when we arrive. But yeah, shall we get ready to go?
Yes.
Okay, both children in the car. I feel like I just did a workout. We have arrived, haven't we? Looks like lots of people had the same idea to come in half term, didn't they? Yeah. You want to go in the soft play before we go for lunch?
Yay!
Yeah? Do you want some more milk, Sophie? Do you want some more milk? What do you think? Can you turn it down a bit, please? Well done. We've come for some lunch, haven't we? I think I'm gonna have the chicken nuggets just like you. I'm gonna have the same. She is kind of due a nap, so I popped her umbrella up just to kind of keep her a bit darker. So hopefully she'll fall asleep so we can eat our food. Is that yummy?
Yes.
Well, we both got the same. I got the kids menu too because I just fancied some chicken nuggets too. And Sophie's just fallen asleep. Perfect timing doesn't always happen, but
Mommy?
yeah, I put my phone with white noise on and this really helped her go to sleep, so hopefully she'll have at least 30 minutes.
I can't let you go, baby. I just wanna tell you that. No. Yeah. All of my friends say, girl, you better take care. That man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down, I know I might be headed for teardrops. Now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No.
Okay, we've just come inside for a bit to feed Sophie. Gave her some milk because it's nice and quiet in here, didn't we? Yeah, I think we're getting ready to go home. Hey, Victor. 2 minutes and we'll go, okay? Yeah, so he's just playing in this area. And we'll go home, won't we? Because Mommy's getting tired. Oh, are you getting sad? So we just got home. Sophie actually fell asleep on the car. She's just asleep upstairs now. She fell asleep for like 10 minutes in the car, like the last 10 minutes of the drive. And then I was like really crossing my fingers she would transfer into her bed. And I just popped her upstairs. You know, blackened out the room, white noise, all of that, and she seems okay. So yeah, hopefully she will nap for a bit in her crib. Victor's just upstairs doing some Legos, and I am going to take a moment to have a coffee, hopefully, before one of the children shouts for me. Well, that was a nice 5 minutes. She's up. Aren't you? Cheeky cheek. Shortest nap ever. Didn't even get to finish my coffee. Yeah, you're gonna be tired later, aren't you? Just had a nappy change, didn't we? She's just, oh, here you go. She's just loving her toys.
You're gonna change. You're gonna drink more.
Shall we get this one?
Go down, I know I might be headed for teardrops.
Come
Now
back
that
here.
you got
Go back, yeah. A beautiful. Oh my goodness. We've got this abacus from Ikea, didn't we?
Yeah. So what would this make?
What do you think of this, Sophie? You want to do some maths? Yeah? She's really trying to roll over, isn't she?
Yeah.
Yeah, she can roll over. Oh, nearly got it, so should I take this so you can do it? Oh, sorry. Okay, so I just popped her in the swing for a bit. She doesn't really like her swing very much anymore. She's going to be ready for another nap soon, I think, because she, anyway, she had such a short one, the previous one. And then we'll do dinner, bath, and then bedtime between kind of 6:30 and 7 for her. And then Victor's bedtime is also around 7. Or, like, we put him to bed at 7, but he falls asleep at like 7:30. Sometimes 8. But yeah, I just wanted to vlog a little bit today because, you know, I just kind of want to have these memories of when the children were this little. So yeah, I do hope you have enjoyed coming along with us today, and I think I'll end the vlog here because it's probably going to get more and more hectic as the day goes on. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!